Hey amazing hackers, I'm TORHAT from HM Cyber Academy. We are going to continue with our incredible web hacking series. Here, you're going to learn hacking or you'll die trying. So let's get started. In this video, we will solve Natas 5. Okay, we got Natas 5 password from the previous level and we have used it to log into Natas 5. Okay, so access disallowed, you are not logged in. Okay, so here in this case we also have nothing here. Let's check the source code. Okay, there's nothing here as well. Okay, so there's nothing. Okay, let's check this developer tools. We can go to sources, performance, memory, application. Okay, so in this application we can check for cookies. Okay, cookies. Interesting. Okay, here you can see that other than standard cookies, there is one cookie that is set to some value. Okay, and it has a domain which is natas 5. Okay, so what is this cookie doing? So it is checking whether you are logged in or not. Okay, the main thing you can see is that it is set to 0, so which means false. Okay, you can interpret 0 as false, and if you give some number, okay, let's say 1, and you can interpret as true. Okay, so you can directly change here. Okay, you can directly change here and refresh. Okay, you can change it to 1 and just simply refresh. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Okay, let's change it back. So what this cookie is doing, okay, so you need to understand what this cookie is doing. Okay, so cookies are one of the ways to authenticate a user. Okay, so let's send it to repeater. Here we can test all our tests. Okay, here the main page is this logged in section. So usually this comes under cookies. Okay, so instead of login there might be any other format of login. Okay, any other hash or any other php session id, any other form of identifying a particular user. Okay, here we are trying to identify natas 6. Okay, so they are saying natas 6 is not logged in. Okay, so we are changing it to 1. Okay, initially we'll send it as 0 and then we'll change it to 1. We get access disallowed. Now we will send it, we get access granted, because this locked in feature will detect that particular user. Okay, sometimes this can be just some brute forceable number. Okay, some 200 or 300 or any other user IDs also. Okay, so just by changing that particular number you will be able to log into that particular user. Okay, that's the main takeaway that we are going to have here. Okay, once you get the password you can use it to log into other natas 6. Okay, so the main thing you need to understand here is that cookies are one way to authenticate people. Okay, so if you can get the cookie you can easily log into other users account. Okay, right, I'll see you guys in the next video.